got today to do is swap the filter out of the work car, the Bravada. It's a 2000 Oldsmobile Bravada. Drop the pan, swap it out. When you're messing with yours, make sure you don't leave this up in there. Like, I'm sort of curious to see how it comes, because there's like a little indent that it might fit around this, it might not. I'll have to just see what it does. But I think that just goes up in there and go like that. And when I did the Ford, I got the brain fart, torque converter, and there had a drain plug in. I'm not sure about this thing. I'm sure you would think there'd be something, so I'll look and see when I'm under it and stuff. I ain't done it, but got the ACDelco part. Should be cut and dry, famous last words, piece of cake. So that's what I'm getting into today. And hopefully the work car is not destroyed, because I drive on gravel. I'm a city slicker, and when we moved here, the way I go to work, it's 4 miles of gravel, and I beat the snot. You know, all the country folks, country bumpkins, you just used to... Man, I'm a city slicker, dude. That's why I ride street bikes. I like pavement, and yeah, no, that gravel beats the bejesus out of cars and vehicles badly, no matter what you do to them, and just... In my opinion, it's sad, but if I wanted to drive on pavement to work, it'd add an extra 25 miles, because I got to go a big skirt tail around it for a 4-mile drive. So, cost of doing business, I have cheap cars. This was a really nice car when I bought it, and I did manage to get 50,000 miles so far on it for, $1,800, so you can't go wrong with that. AC, leather heated seats, so we'll take her, man. Got to keep the old girls running. But yeah, back at it. This is going to be a filter change on the Bravada. So I'll see you guys in there. Thanks, guys. Bye. So you can see one of the reason I hate gravel. I was complaining about it and stuff, whatever. But I'm going to have to take an air whip and clean this stuff up, because, man, the gravel gets freaking everywhere. No matter what. The minute it gets wet, the poor car gets pounded with stuff, as you can see. So I'm going to get under here. Quick tip first, pull your transmission fluid dipstick out just a bit so you don't catch it on the way down. And we'll get up in here, clean it up, and then drop this pan. And yeah, poor girl gets beat up, this poor Bravada. And yeah, cool, guys. See you back at it. What I got going is you'll see me when I get under there blowing the crap off it, so I can try to not get crap around my trans. Yeah, guys, so this is after about a 5-gallon bucket full of dirt. We're about as clean as she's gonna get, and yeah, let's try to get this sucker rolling here. So around the actual shifter assembly, I got 2 10s and 2 10 mils. So we'll get these bad boys loose first. It sucks that's this is gonna be in the way. It looks like a little assembly piece. So I probably could unhook this, but I'm going to do everything in my power not to, just because that's how I want to roll. And we'll go from there. It looked like the 2 bolts came through the actual case, so I sprayed them and tried to clean this up best as I could. Oh, that little guy's not let's get it. Oh man, there was my light. Can't see nothing now. Sorry, guys. And here, so I'm gonna try to do is get this sucker to drain as cleanly as I can, but this is where it's gonna be the epic fail. You'll all laugh at me. I know I laugh at me, because nothing works out in my favor for epic, actually good stuff. Here it just becomes a big mess, and I have a feeling that that's what the day's gonna entail. A ginormous mess under here. I want to say the other ones are 12. But yeah, again, this is for a GM. It's an actual Oldsmobile Bravada, but it's a GM vehicle, so, you know, we should be able to get it coming at you. What I'll do is get this one off. Oh yeah, look at my assembly moves. I'll be able to drop it. Might go get some zip ties and move it out of the way. I gotta go get a get a piece here. But these are the two. We'll move the shift linkage out of the way. I'm gonna try to drop this pan forward some because there's no drain plug on it, which I wish there was. And we'll see how much of a controlled mess we make. Keyword is mess. I'm trying to be cool and pretend it's gonna be controlled, but it's not gonna be anything of the sort. Because that's how we roll. Story of my life. How not to change transmission fluid on a 2000 Oldsmobile Bravada. Poor girl sees gravel life. The gravel. And with some help from work stuff. Gotta love a big old power plant. Oh man, look at that. I think I got it now. It's biting a little bit, so if we can twist it and bite it down, maybe we won't break nothing. Oh, now I'm really gonna screw it up. There it goes. Unless I'm scarring stuff up there. What did scar? Oh, shit. I did get it to move, so we'll jam it up in there. Do it again. Oh, flip. Hitting the shit. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I'm moving it. I'm trying to get this to come out, baby.
What?
This one. Woohoo! My whole thing is that I don't want to break any of the stuff up there. So, I'm biting it. And this piece of this little filter, sweetheart. I think so. Bites it. I'm like that. I'm moving it now, so we're good. It's slow and steady. So you can see what I'm doing here. Hopefully. Probably chomp on it with a frickin' Wham! Woohoo! Got it. That's what it takes. I did get it. So now we'll clean it up and we'll put it back. So what I got going on? I took a socket. Right now it's 20 mil. I wish I had aluminum or some brass rounds like this size, but I do not. And I don't recommend this one bit. Chime in, tell me how stupid I am. It's all good. Yeah, so I was doing it, the 19 or the 20 was just a hair too big. I kept hitting on my frame, I didn't know it until I looked. So I tapped it in with the 19. So now I'm close, so I'm going to use this brass like I should have been doing. I wish I just had a big little piece of brass. And all I'm doing is hitting it slowly and softly all the way around the lip. The sockets are better because you're getting a little more even around it. Oh, God, that's ugly. So now I'm flush. It's about as best as we're going to get. So, oopsie, sorry, guys. See what I'm looking at? That's the frickin' thing. That's stupid. So now we're good. We're going to put our filter in, and that's what we're going to do, and hopefully... Looking good, man. Looking good. Let's see if we can get this baby up in there. Oh, motherfucker. Woo! Whoopsies, a little too tight. It was just barely up in the... Oh. That's it. Just up in there. So now I'll get my stuff, and we'll get some bolts in it. I gotta get that gasket laid out just right, so it doesn't come back and screw with us. Yeah, that's it, guys. Piece of beavers. So, what I'm doing is putting it all back on. Whatever you do, always start them by hand. Get them going. We're not IndyCar, or we're not NASCAR guys where they replace parts. You just got to get it shut. You know, so you got to get them started by hand first, then you can hit them with the impact to run them up nicely. I'm not going crazy with it. You should torque them. I'm just going to go tight. PFT with my hand. Snug them up across the board here. I'm going to steal, yeah, I got a joke here that John just got me on. It's a movie coming out here called Constipated. And I was like, what? What do you mean, Constipated? Yeah, it hasn't came out yet. Sucker! Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. It hasn't came out. Yes, Jonathan, I just told YouTube that joke. That's a good joke. Well, I got the 5 quarts in. The next step would do is turn it on. Cycle. This has got a floor shifter. Cycle it in every gear. And hopefully I didn't do nothing wrong. And yeah, that's all I gotta do. So I have to open the garage. I gotta run it. And this is my view. This is my view. This is my view out here. I don't feel like battling 50 cats at this moment, so I think the 2020s. See the black butts coming? Super. I poo breakfast, man. I poo breakfast. So, yeah. I'm waiting for them dumb birds to go in so I can shut them up for tonight. And I got my fearless cats out here. 2020's got to sit. This is the view. Oh, he's going down. This will be epic. Watch this cat tumble. Watch this cat. It's one of the shooting ranges. Come on, stupid. I found it on the ground earlier. Watch him fall. Oh, I was going to see some epic fails like me dumping that shit on us. Oh, it's still going to happen. Oh, there goes. Oh, I probably learned its lesson from falling on it earlier. That's why I can't do it. So that's what I had to do to it. But I poop breakfasts outside. And yeah. Oh. Cat's going to fall. Cat's going to fall. It's going to fall. Oh. Come on, knock him over. Knock him over. Oh yeah, it's going down. It's going down for sure. Going down. epic. They're gonna fall. It's gonna... Damn, sucker. Freaking yelling at me. Sorry, guys. Oh, he kicked it over, but he didn't go for a ride. See y'all later.